How to produce the GTA 6 official main theme music. The bass. Playing a notes as eighth notes with a filter effect applied. Next, playing the note as 6 times. Then hit G 9 times. 16th note G, F octave arpeggios, and 10D notes. The guitar melody Am, G, M, G5, FM, G, FM. Layered with synth chord. And a very simple drum kit. Layering all the tracks.